All right, it's almost a wrap, y'all. I'm going to do a little loose ends in here. Boss owner wanted me to do something about that open space. I got the shower door installed. It's dirty in here. Just did a test run. Still haven't cleaned it up from the construction, but all of that is done. We've got the countertop completed. I went with a matte finish on that. Let you see that. It's kind of dusty because I've been working on it, but we got rid of the gloss. We have a mirror that's actually going to be a sliding mirror. It does coincide with the vanity mirror there. Got a little paint to do. This is actually going to be a sliding mirror here. Right now, it's just a medicine cabinet. Have to wait on my the drawer slides that I'm going to use. Of course, being custom, you have to kind of get stuff when you can. Got my lights together. Got a brand new shaker door along with brand new lights, brand new heater, vent, more smart lighting. So I give you guys more detail on the products that I use in here on the last video that I'm about to make. And you guys will be done with me on this project.